Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and I have another haul for y'all. So this one is another Dollar Tree one, and you guys, so someone messaged on my last Dollar Tree 99-cent store Halloween craft haul that there were like Halloween colored mesh, the snow mesh, and I had to go and check it out. I had my anatomy scan today for the baby and everything looks good, so I went and took a trip to Dollar Tree real quick at the one near my near the ultrasound place, and yeah, I found way more things than what I wanted, but I just thought I'd share with y'all in case you guys want to go to your Dollar Tree and do some shopping as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. I did pick up a couple things that were non-Halloween themed or related, but I did grab this chalk writer, and if you guys saw in my last haul, I did show that I picked up those little chalkboards for the babies, so I grabbed that. They have other colors too, but I just went with the basic white. And then these holographic straws, I don't have any holographic ones, so I just picked up a set of these, and I found these in the like plastic party section with all the bowls and stuff. And then I did find the little iridescent plastic folders that everybody was hauling, the pink and the white ones, but I can never find the pink and white ones. So I did pick up the blue and the green colored ones. I'm just going to package some mail really quick. Like I was going to do right now. I'm going to use these to package up some mail that I'm going to be sending out. So I went ahead and I picked up a couple of those. And then that was it for the non-Halloween items. Okay, so now in the fall section, I saw this cute little pumpkin decoration, and it says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. I had another sign or another pumpkin that was a mint color, and it broke on my, literally while I was waiting in line, so I had to return it. But I did grab this one, hoping I could put this somewhere in the kitchen area, so I went ahead and I grabbed that. And then I also found these really cute sunflowers. So I picked up a couple of these so I can gift some. And then I also grabbed some for myself. And the centers are like pretty legit looking too. They're really fuzzy and soft. I thought these were really cute, so I found those in the fall section. And then I did find this in the gardening section, which is some yellow glitter tulle. It's like a dark yellow mustard color, and it has gold glitter on it. I've never seen this, so I picked one up. I think I'm going to use some of it for marigold mail. I saw these Decorative Picks, and I thought these were like really cute, like the size and the color. So I went in and I picked up 2 sets of these. You get 10 of them, and these would be really cute if you just make a centerpiece and add these in. So I went ahead and I picked up a couple of those. This one does have a couple of lighter ones. I don't know if you could tell, but like these ones are lighter. So yeah, got that. And then that was it from the fall section, and then everything else is from the Halloween section. So, oh, actually, I shared this already, but it's the yellow mesh. I grabbed another one because the color is just so pretty. Right, and then here are the Halloween ones that I didn't show in my last haul. Because I remember I said that I wish they made some of these for Halloween, and someone commented saying that they do. So I went back and I found them, and I grabbed some. So I got the orange, I got all the colors. I know I don't use purple, but I know that like I'm gonna regret not getting it if I, you know, start working with it. So I went ahead and I picked it up. And then this is like a neon green, like yellow color. I did pick up a couple of these because these would be really fun to gift to for those that either can't find it or just to gift in general, so they have more in their stash. And I was super excited to find the black because that's what I really wanted, was the black. So I went ahead and grabbed those. And I also saw these which I thought was really pretty. They are these glitter spiders, and I got them in the orange color, and I did pick up 2 of these. But I thought these were so pretty. I love the glitter, love the color orange, so I went ahead and I grabbed those. And then these were really fun. These are Halloween die cut DIY boxes, and you could put little tea lights in them and let them light up. So I got the skull, the little pumpkin face, and the little ghost. There was an owl as well, which I didn't grab because it just I didn't think I would use it as much. I mean, you could grab it if you want, but it isn't ugly. It's cute. I just didn't grab it. But yeah, so, and the cool thing about these is that you can alter them, and then the backs like slide off, so you get little goodies in here that won't fall through, or put it in like a cellophane bag and then stick it in here, and then you could use it as like a little gift box for some Happy Meal. So I went ahead and I picked up those 3, and these would be even fun if you have kids to decorate them and put them around your house. Grab those. And I was super excited to see these. These were hanging on a hanging on a little clip, and they're little white glittered skulls, and they're just vase fillers. I did buy the pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, but I thought these were so cute. So I grabbed 2 packs of these because I mean, I don't know what I'm really going to do with it, but I've never seen these before, so I grabbed a couple. I got a little excited. And then I saw these. These were hanging, and these are like styrofoam like bones. I thought these were plastic at first when I saw them, and then I grabbed it and it was super light, but they're just plastic, or sorry, they're styrofoam bones. But yeah, and then these also have glitter on them. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I thought these were so cool. So I grabbed a couple of these also because, I don't know, I just grabbed them. Even if I have extra and I need them for next year, then at least I have them. So I got those. And you guys, they have stickers for Halloween. I got so excited. Okay, so they had 3 different kinds. I only grabbed 2 of the, like out of the 3. But this one was so cute. It says Hocus Pocus, Spooky Night, or sorry, Spooky Fright, Happy Halloween, Boo. And then these stickers are like green, but it's transparent, so like you could see through it. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I have to check. But yeah, I got that set. I got a couple of those, and then these are some skulls. And it's in a copper and gold color. And I think there's silver. Yeah, copper, silver, gold, and black. And for the price, you guys, for $1, you can't go wrong with these. So I picked this up. And let me see. Let's see if they are clear. Yeah. So they turned into this like minty color, because the background was like more of a brown color, so it made it look darker. But if you look at these, it's more minty-ish, like it's really pretty. So I did grab a couple of those. Dang, I kind of wish I grabbed more. They're just so cool. Oh, okay, anyway, I'm not gonna regret it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back because I don't want to lose anything. So there's that. And then they have DIY stickers, basically like wood veneer. They had, I think, 4 different kinds, or 3. I didn't get the skull one, but I did get the jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, these are so cute. And then the plain wooden ones you can definitely alter and paint yourself or emboss. And I was super excited because I love this one so much. I grabbed a couple of these ones, and the this one has the spiders, the bats, the little witch on her broom, and the spooky house. And then I did find this. This was the last one. So I'm assuming that a lot of people were buying them, but I was like, you know what, I'll just grab it because the whole box was empty. So I grabbed one, and it's this little skeleton ornament like hanging thing. And you can definitely paint this and alter it yourself, so I thought I could alter transfer this for my place and to see how it looks. But yeah, I went ahead and I grabbed that. For $1, you really can't beat it. So I got that. And then the last 2 items are more stickers, and I was super excited to see these because I was not expecting this to be there. But they are these little Happy Halloween stickers. And you guys, these are such a great deal for all this. The quality is pretty legit. Like for $1, you really can't go wrong with it. But like, look at this one. Like, what? Oh my god. This one, like, I really want to do Pastel-Halloween. I did it last year, no, 2 years ago. I sent out mail like on the low when I was like hiding from YouTube and Instagram. I made some mail for a friend and for Karina, and I did Pastel-Halloween. I found the pictures in my old phone of that, and so I think I'm going to post it this year. I know it's a couple years old, but just to show you guys what I made. But I like love Pastel-Halloween way better than just the OG like purple and orange. So yeah, super excited to see that. I was not expecting this, but I was hoping that I was going to see more of like this, like kind of like crafting stuff. But I was like the only thing I saw. But yeah, so that is it for my haul. It's a lot smaller than the last one, but these are things that I picked up that I didn't show you guys in my last one. And I was super excited to share with y'all. So I hope that you guys can get your hands on things, and if there is more, like there are more things that you guys found and would like to let me know, just leave them down in the comment box below, because I will see it and I most likely will go to the store. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing everything that I picked up. I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!